It's Mocktail Monday, and today we have another drink inspired by tropical vacations. Hello, and welcome to Mocktail Monday at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. You may be stuck at work or school, but today's drink will send you on a mini vacation. To make it, all you do is add 4 ounces of cranberry-mango cocktail to a rocks glass with ice, fill with coconut seltzer, and garnish with a blackberry. Repeat whenever you need a mental visit to the tropics. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.